This is Ultramax. So we try Ultramax. This is 400 ISO, almost same a new one, but that expired. So let's get in. Let's get in. Oops. We bring film to GoPro Hero 1. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, camera is a little bit small. Yeah, who know how loading film? I know how loading. So, no, please stay in. Stay in. Yeah. Bring to wheel. There we go. Right. There we go. And it's ready. One. And now film working. One. And now we got one frame. Yeah. There we go. So I make photo. So let's make some nice footage on GoPro Hero, first generation, whatever was made.